Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study better for a test step by step. Start by creating a quiet, distraction-free space and set a clear goal for each study session. Break material into focused chunks and use active recall with practice questions. Schedule short breaks every 25 to 50 minutes and vary subjects to avoid burnout. Review notes the day before and get quality sleep for memory consolidation. Choose a study plan that matches your test timeline and strengths. Start by listing topics, estimate time per topic, and prioritize weak areas. Use a calendar or app to block sessions, including short reviews and full practice tests. Combine reading with active tasks like explaining concepts aloud or teaching someone. Track progress weekly and adjust time estimates as needed to stay on pace and reduce last-minute cramming. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like now. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy study snacks and spill-free lunches between sessions. They save time and keep food fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want the same set. Enjoy faster prep and less mess. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on techniques that boost retention and understanding. Use spaced repetition for facts, interleaving for skills, and practice tests for retrieval strength. Create concise notes and use diagrams or mnemonic devices to link concepts. Explain difficult ideas in simple words or record yourself and listen back. Start small and build consistent habits to avoid overwhelm and improve long-term results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.